September 2015, Tom and Carmelita arrive at the Green Key Nature Preserve in Palm Beach County, Florida. This little blue heron is wading in the tall grass, looking for lunch, maybe a small fish or a frog. But does he see the alligator just a few feet away from him who wants to eat him for lunch? This large reptile, Alligator mississippiensis, is the undisputed ruler of Green Key Nature Preserve. This is a time for all smart birds to fly away. They can come back when the lookout says all's clear. With the gator out of sight, this yellow-crowned night heron patrols the water's edge, dining on crustaceans, mollusks, insects, frogs, and small fish. To escape the yellow-crowned night heron, this school of mosquito fish has gone far from the shore, but now they are prime pickings for this great blue heron next to his friend, the glossy ibis. Many waterfowl, such as mergansers and ibises, are amphibious. They search for their meals both on the water and on the land. One of the more difficult prey for these ibises to catch is a dragonfly. Dragonflies have been in these swamps since 100 million years before birds even existed. A champion diver skilled at gathering food from the depths of the swamp is the anhinga. The most important job for any creature in the wetlands is to raise the next generation. These two black-bellied whistling ducks have a feisty brood of 12 little ducklings having great fun in the water. Our tour of Green Key Nature Preserve is coming to an end, and the great news is Carmelita made it out alive.